So how can you use AI to create better results in your business? In this video, I'm going to show you. And first, I'm going to remind you of an experience you almost certainly had several months ago when ChatGPT took the world by storm. Do you remember the first time you logged in and you asked it to create a message for you? You were mind blown at the quality of content coming out from that system. Now today, if you go to ChatGPT and you ask it to write a message, why aren't you getting that mind-blowing content any longer? Well, the reason is it's a language learning model, and it's been learning from all the people who are using it, putting information into the system. All those months ago, the first time you visited ChatGPT, it had been trained by professionally written, professionally edited books. That's right, you've probably seen the lawsuits from authors like J.K. Rowling saying, what, you used all of my life's work, you used it to program your model? Not cool, right? So today, if you ask ChatGPT to write you a message, it's almost certainly going to start with the same first line. I hope this email finds you well. Check your inbox, see how much garbage bot content you're receiving. See, the truth is there's two kinds of AI that can help you grow your business. There's generative AI, which can be used to produce content. You're certainly familiar with that. There's also analytical AI. And analytical AI can be used to understand the massive amounts of data that are available to us today. At Happy Grasshopper, we use analytical AI to study the reporting from the hundreds of millions of messages we send. Today, we're nurturing approximately 40 million relationships for our members. It produces such a massive data set that no one human being could look at that and make great decisions. So we leverage the AI to help us understand what's working now so that we can help you win. AI is not going anywhere. The best, most effective strategies aren't using AI to replace you. They're using AI to enhance your ability to have more effective relationships with the people that you serve. For example, let's consider database marketing, right? You may have tens, hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands of people in your database. That's a lot of data that's difficult to make sense of. AI's job is not to have the relationship for you. It's to find ways to start conversations so that you can build deeper relationships. That's how we leverage AI at Happy Grasshopper, and that's how you should leverage it too. All right, so hear me on this. You must be using automations in your business. Automations make sure that that lead that comes in the middle of the night gets a high quality response, just like the person who hears your voice when you call and within a minute of them registering on your website. Automations make sure that you never forget a past client's birthday or transaction anniversary. Automations make sure that for your client appreciation events, people are being reminded and they actually show up. Automations are the things that lift the drudgery off your shoulder and allow you to get to the achievement phase of your career. So whether you're implementing them as a member of Happy Grasshopper or you're watching this video just to learn how to do it, you must commit to using automations in your business. If you'd like to see how we can help you with this, just go to happygrasshopper.com or check out any of these videos where we lay out exactly how to leverage automations in your business.